Moving on now, the Supreme Court of Bangladesh is set to deliver its verdict on the appeals over the caretaker government system on Thursday. Earlier on November 11th, a 7-member bench of the Bangladesh Apex Court, headed by Chief Justice Syed Rafat Ahmed, concluded the hearing and fixed November 20th for delivering the verdict on appeals and review petitions. During the hearing, the lawyers for the appellants, petitioners and the state asked the top court to overturn its 2011 judgment and restore the non-party caretaker government system to the constitution for holding free and fair elections and to establish democracy in the country. Following 2011 verdict, the Parliament passed the 15th Amendment, formally abolishing the caretaker arrangement. The decision is significant as it could potentially restore the non-party caretaker government system for national elections, which was abolished more than a decade ago. DD India's Naval Singh Parmar joins us on the story via the phone line from Dhaka. Naval Singh, what is the general sentiment in Bangladesh? Are people in favor of the caretaker government system?
Well, first of all, I would like to mention here that I have an update. Verdict already came and it has restored and revived the non-party caretaker government system in Bangladesh. It was expected because many people, even neutral analysts, were in favor of a caretaker government system. One interesting thing I would like to mention here that it was introduced in Bangladesh Constitution by the 13th Amendment in 1996 March. And after that, in the first election after the amendment and the caretaker government system, Sheikh Hasina became first-time Prime Minister of Bangladesh in 1996. And again, in 2009, she became elected as a Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Then after, in 2011, the 15th Amendment came and that abolished the caretaker government system. And then after, it was a bone of contention between the various political party for the neutral and free and fair election. And that's why the opposition party, BNP and some other party abstained from the taking part in the electoral process. And that was the allegation against the Awami League that they won election without the opposition. But now the Supreme Court of Bangladesh and its appellate division has overturned its own verdict of May 2011.
Okay, so now that the verdict is with us, what would the verdict mean actually for Mohammad Yunus's caretaker government?
Right now, the government is not a caretaker government. It is an interim government led by Dr. Mohammad Yunus. Caretaker government means non-party caretaker, party-neutral government. And this one is interim government. So under the caretaker government system, there will be the participation from all the political party or maybe independent people, people from the society may like judiciary, people from judiciaries or the other walk of life will have a chance to lead the caretaker government for the election time only. The interim government may have a duration of 1 year, 2 year, like that earlier also it was there, and this government also completed 1 year and almost 15-16 months. So, but in caretaker government is for the 2-3 months of duration and for the election time only, and it will be a party non-party government system where no party can misuse the state machinery in its own benefits, and that is the good thing for the country like Bangladesh, where the it is easy to role in the state machinery for the benefit of a ruling party. And there were allegations of the against the various political party in the history like that.
Okay, so Naval Singh, in your view, the verdict is a step ahead for restoring democracy and fair elections in Bangladesh?
Yes, but the here rider is that the whether the representation of Awami League and other political parties who were in power before the 5th August 2024 will be there or not. Because now in this government, interim government also, there is an allegation from the BNP as well as Awami League, as well as the Jamaat-e-Islami and other small political parties that some of the advisor belongs to particular political party. So this political party which are now in support of the interim government, they also believe that the advisor in the Yunus Advisory Council are not a non-political person, or they are partisan. They are working in partisan way. So that is the allegation. And since last 6 months, it is routine that in media also many people allege the interim government as well as Dr. Yunus that he is a titular. There is no real power in his hands, and some advisors are doing backseat driving, and some political parties taking undue benefit of the interim government system. And the most important thing here in Bangladesh is the freedom for the media. If interim government also, there are many reports of the international organization that the media freedom in Bangladesh has been jeopardized in the interim government also. Earlier also there was allegation against Sheikh Hasina government regarding the throttling of media. But if there is a caretaker government system, non-political party government system in Bangladesh, then there will be some freedom for the media, and that will leads to free and fair election. It will help to restore the democratic system in Bangladesh.
Okay.